Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a mattress storage vacuum bag. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like here and kind of explain the concept. Let's see if we can get this open here. So it comes with all sorts of straps. You see it's got four straps that my dog is going to get. It's down here. And then we have the big bag here. So this is it here. So this will fit. They say it fits like a king size mattress, or you know, you can fit your comforters or whatever else in there. So I guess I don't need to open this whole thing up. But the concept will be that you will open this all up and put your mattress or sheets or whatever it is, all the textile type things in there. And then you can roll it up and fold it up, so it would be it wouldn't be a regular mattress, it would be one of those rolling ones. And you can fold it all up in there and then put the straps around it. So let's check out some of these straps here. So this is kind of how it works. So this will go around once you get it curled up, so you can roll up the mattress. And then you have this strap here, so you can clip it on like this. And it looks like it comes with a second one here. I guess you can probably extend it to go double wide, or clip them together using that one or that one. Different variety, I guess, of clips, but looks like they're all kind of interchangeable here. So that's kind of cool. So you can have a couple of them going, you can strap them together, and like they had in the picture, where's that box? You can, use them for straps like that. I guess that's what you can use those second clips for, to clip the little straps on so you can hold it. That's pretty cool. I don't have a rolling up mattress right now. But you can see here, it just kind of explains what you do. You'll pack up your mattress, seal the bag, it's kind of a Ziploc kind of thing there, and you run your fingers along it. Then you use the vacuum and suck it out. So, I have my vacuum over there, so I would just suck it out. And then you're able to, once it's all sucked out and all the air's out and it's compressed, you can do that with it. So if you have one of those roll-up mattresses that you get, order online or something like that, you'll be able to compress it up to be able to transport it again. So, like they say, you can never get it back in the box again. I guess using this, you can. At least you can try. So, cool. Thumbs up.